girl done now. In today's video, I am back, and I'm back with something amazing. I have here a mimosa. Guys, you know I'm all about the collagen, yes?
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Let's jump into this. This recipe is going to be a mock mimosa. Now I'm going to start off with my little bit of orange juice, and I am going to be using my blender. The reason why I'm using my blender is because I find that it's going to mix the collagen easier as opposed to just dropping it in and stirring it around. So we're gonna put a little bit of orange juice inside this blender. Let's giddy up. Now we're gonna drop in a scoop of collagen. And as I mentioned before, this recipe is all about sneaking in just a little bit extra collagen into your daily dosage. That's all it is. And we're gonna blend it just for a bit, just to mix this collagen around, that's all. That was all we needed, y'all, that was it. Now, oopsie, my top fell inside. That was all we needed. And I'm going to be using a little bit of apple cider, the white grape juice by Welch's, just to give it a little bit of bubbly. Oh yes, yes, yes. It is so good. Guys, let me tell you, if you're trying to sneak more collagen into your daily lifestyle, it is super easy. Just about everything around your kitchen can be blended with, or you can mix collagen in with it. And let me tell you, when you're dealing with an unflavored collagen, you don't even taste it. And I am not missing the alcohol inside here at all, simply because the sparkling cider gave it that nice little bubble. So I still have that bubbly taste. This is super yum.